Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Adrian with another release. Today we're releasing 3.13. So it's gonna be a shorter release, so let's just get into it. So, first of all, performance improvement. We are computing the options in the dynamic filters on demand instead of the initializer. So now whenever you load a page that has some filters, instead of actually running those filters, we don't do them unless you are using them. Maintain page programming associations. This is a cool little one. So for example, if I go to maybe product or maybe let's say project, and if I go down here to one of the, oh, what happened there? So if I go down here to one of the users and I click on the second page and then I click a user and then I come back to that user, I can click go back. These users should be rendered in the second page. So basically your user now has a better experience and knows where they left off. Add resource and pattern resource on association scope block. It's exactly what it says. Join attach and actions model with the same turbo frame. This is just an internal thing. We had two places where a model can be attached, could be attached, and now there's only one. Plugin. We did some reworking on the plugins. Let me see if I can find the page really quick. Yes. So if you check it out, you'll see that some of the things have been reworked to use active support on load. So this one makes Avo work a little bit more like Rails. So if you are using the plugins, go and check this one out. Callable card suffix and prefix, exactly what you says. If you have a dashboard or a resource card with a prefix or suffix, you can now make that a block and callable. Improve has many interactions and add plus and add another. So what happens here now, so before when you detach or delete a user, before you get this whole page re-rendered. Let me just try a different one. But now we made it so that it just removes this element, and that's it. And same with attach. You can now attach one and it'll just inject it. And then if you click attach and attach another, it will inject it and let you do some more attachments. I hope you think this is awesome. Tippy data. Okay, we did some refactoring and some bug fixing with Tippy, so you'll see this in this release a little bit. A lot of dependency updates. Let's go to bug fixes. Auto-generate resource fields when generating the model. Let's see what this is. Yeah, we had a typo and I think. Yeah. So basically, it wouldn't be able to. So if you didn't have the database set up, which happens in some environments, you would not get the resource generated. But now, if you don't, you can get the resource generated with some things like the fields, and not everything. So this should work a little bit better. Whenever the click row to view records, so it's this feature like here where you can click wherever and you get redirected to that record. Didn't have the policy authorization method. It didn't use that. Now it does. Add overflow for scopes on mobile screens. Again, scopes work on mobile screens. This is a typing thing that we fixed. Allow symbol enable profile component method. Let's see what this is. Yes, another typing thing that we fixed. Verify type when fetching association. Same. We added the literal gem a few, I think the past release or something. So we are now fiddling a little bit with the types to make it a little bit easier. No link on breadcrumb when visiting an association. Yep, this is another what do you call it? Nice to have. So before you would have something like this without a link, and now you have a link, so you can go back from edit back to that record. So it's gonna be easier. This is a fix on the dynamic filters. The what is it? Let's see. The click away wouldn't work. So if I click somewhere outside, it wouldn't work. But now it does. TP, alignment of user actions. Okay, this is a cool one. Thank you so much for this, Orion. Thank you so much. So basically what this does, it sets in the grid view. Let me see if I can, if I have one, I think it's posts. In the grid view, it sets the alignment to be a little bit, what is it? It's a little bit different. So it makes the buttons look a little bit more compact. Thank you for this tweak. Feature tags, filter fetch values from. So now in dynamic filters, you can have fetch values from for the tags field, which didn't work previously. Custom list control. This is a cool one. I think some of you requested it a while back. So you know how you have how you can have, where is it, an actions drop down, but sometimes you just want your own list there. So you now have this access to this API, so list with label and icon and whatever you need, and inside you can add links or actions to be to be added to this like a custom kind. So you come like this custom list. So you'll have actions and another thing with your own custom list. And finally, Joel Draper added this cool little nice to have. So now if you, instead of using Avo, if you want to save some characters, you can just use this emoji, and you'll be able to use, instead of Avo dot configuration, use this avocado emoji dot configuration. Thanks, Joel. That's it for today. We have a super short video for you guys. We are working on a few cool stuff. Don't forget, we want to show it to you on October 18th. Thank you. See you around.